In this video, I want to remove muscovite from the outside of what should be red garnet. So this rock, you can see the layers of muscovite. It's very flaky, almost like paper, and it should be surrounding, I'm thinking, a smaller garnet. So we'll try opening that up. And to do that, we're going to use a pneumatic air scribe. Let's do it. So we're all hooked up. To get this moving, all I have to do is kick the end back in. Okay, we're all set. Let's turn this bad boy on. So it works off compressed air. And let's do it. This is the CP9361 Model A Air Scribe by Chicago Pneumatic. Here I'm opening up the small piece that broke off earlier to see if it contains a garnet. As you can see, it was empty. Move on to the larger one. So this tool can have a number of different ends on it. In this case, I'm using what's called a stylus, which looks like a kind of the tip of a pen, and it punctures the rock very, very quickly. The manual says it can deliver up to 13,500 BPM, or blows per minute. M does not stand for marriage, it's minute. The other type of point you can get is a chisel, and I'll try that in a different video. You can see that the stylus point is flaking off chunks of muscovite. I'm not yet seeing any garnet being exposed. Well, at this point, I'm actually seeing what looks like to be a fairly large microcrystal, which I then destroy. So let's speed this up again, just to show, the effort I went through to try to find garnet. And in this particular rock, I was unsuccessful. I made smaller and smaller pieces, but I did not find any garnet of any size in this sample. We will try a different rock and see if we can't do a better job. So what I want to attempt here is use an air scribe to remove muscovite from the outside of a self-collected garnet. So this particular rock was collected from the root ball of a fallen tree. Given that it was probably exposed to the weather for a very long time, freezing, thawing, drying, wet, unfortunately, I think I found that it's no longer gemmy. Okay, so this one turned out to be somewhat weathered. It's got a decent face right in here, but the rest is very globular and weathered. I did remove two other smaller ones. Again, nothing special. But it sure gives me the idea what was inside that rock, which was the goal of the process. Thanks for watching. So in this video, let's So in this video, let's take a rock so in this video hey girl, so quickly what we have here is a rock that should have red garnet inside of it, self-collected in Northern Ontario, and I'm going to use a pneumatic air scribe to remove the muscovite and expose the garnet. Let's give it a try.